Hello without intro. Over time, your PC may start to feel slower. Programs take longer to open, startup drags on, and multitasking becomes frustrating. The good news is that you don't always need to buy a new computer. With a few tweaks, you can speed up your PC and make it feel like new. First, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Type Temp in the box and hit Enter. This opens the System Temporary folder where Windows stores temporary files for all users. You may need administrator permissions to access some files here. Again, press Win plus R again, type %temp%, and hit Enter. Now, let's open your personal temporary folder. This folder contains temporary files created by programs for your user account. You can select all files here and delete them to free up space. Some files may be in use, so just skip those if prompted. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly access both system and user temporary folders in Windows. Cleaning them regularly can help your PC run smoother. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use RAMMap, a powerful tool from Microsoft, to see exactly how your Windows PC is using memory. Run RAMMap as administrator so it can show all memory usage, including system and kernel memory. Empty all. For download RAMMap tools, go to the link in description, then go to the website, Deeply Protect, and you will find the direct link. And the end, enjoy. Listen to this song melody. The song captures themes of love, positivity, good vibes, and peace, representing a mellow and feel-good Afrobeats or vibe-driven style. Support the artist, and thanks for watching.
Go, let's get it. Kilo fait jalousie, éclos, shine, no jealousy, feel me vibe, melody, ride this vibe, energy, melody, remedy, energy, my soul still need remedy, shine with me.